say Akufo-Addo Ababele Foundation no. So my main say Akufo-Addo dey no na me fa me din entare ho. Nti wonim ne oye my memo example. Women's Bank a mass lock. And that me no ka say mass lock ni obiam. No na ye dane na ba ye Women's Bank no. Right? So that mass lock na Akufo be ye ya e de animonyam bre no. E de animonyam be kan Akufo de kan MPP no. Ye dane na ye Women's Bank. Na say ye ni Women's Bank and why din ye bebo. Mahama na di Women's Bank ba ye because ono dey share the manifesto. National Health Insurance. When we say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia had free dialysis, any other kidney related diseases, any other area you face a boka pano. Yeah, the Babeka National Health Insurance on. Now National Health Insurance one year they buy a President Kufuor. When you saw mobile, all of a sudden they are putting priority on MahamaCare. You see, listen, MPP for we should follow. They need Dawson. We should pay attention to certain things. You see, I've always said the NDC know how to play politics. The MPP know how to govern. That is the difference between us. But young they are John Dramani Mahama, you know, because see, I can see a better 4 years now, so no be free. So I obey to be correct for 4 years, no, but no was a sabi a fat party, no, a gen munyam every MPP party, no, I done it because a populism approach in a OU, so no. Now, Obesasa National Health Insurance, not the priority about Beto MahamaCare. So we all know Obamacare with US, right? It's Yabo Obamacare, near Bebo MahamaCare. Why didn't a Mahama? So whether he is in power or not, the din a Tarahum, when your banner will cast over the year for Pomeka say, oh, Tessa Mahama didn't count into no more than and the NDC would know how to defend it against the MPP. But why are we not defending the National Health Insurance? You see, that is another thing. Now, the next thing. 24-hour economy. It is a counter on 1D, 1F. And that many workers we are abolishing 1D, 1F. Do you know? MPP for we are aware say Mahama by we abolishing 1D, 1F. One clear free also many workers there is nothing like 1D, 1F. I woho. When you mean on say 1D, 1F no na the Nana Addo for the last state of the nation address or the core parliament. AyEka say about 321 factories and I established under the 1D, 1F. Right? So, 321 government, one in Sawum, you may be no tax waivers, you may be no ensase, a be wa buying a commitment, a buy no at the equaye, or John Wankasa could a dance here like in Dinamo at the moment, and with the loan grants, not the idea. So, government involvement, a woman. Now, say, we the umbrella policy near cover Munai. It means the government need to find another umbrella policy to cover them. Which umbrella policy not the Bible cover after say we are 1D, 1F nephew or no? A 24-hour economy. So what it's going to do is that yes, Nana Addo Foundation, no, 326 companies have already been established, right? Ye running a B parliament is here, what's munya tax waivers. What's a grant to more parliament. Yeah, Jomo Babesha 1D, 1F 24-hour economy, nothing. Yeah, Kwani Akatrom say under 24-hour economy, this company started operating. Yeah, you 1D, 1F nephew. Ghana for so entire year free. By 4 years, you know, Ghana for Crown Kai said there was something called 1D, 1F. Ghana for Beck said there was something called 24-hour economy. One and they buy, you see a John Dramani Mahama. But the companies and the policy and plans Ninano, a Nana Addo Akufo-Addo a year under 1D, 1F. Or abolish it. That is a strategy. Because some cultural companies and Nana Addo Akufo-Addo establish here under the 1D, 1F, any that industrial drive now, you will shock. You see, sometimes I say we should learn. Share Nana Addo Akufo-Addo buy, you know, or establish the Ghana Automotive Development Policy. And specifically, we were so clear, say, there be a crack cars ever. In fact, you crack condemn cars at the ball mine will. A do time our cars nibino, ye man companies nakasa den, ebaha, na omobeye assembling, no more establishing who were hanum rather than say, they be an yedi ebeko wakwakoto. Then that is what China started. When China started so be too pono, or ya debi, or ye say, so what per se, ye man for the babeto, because we have the population, we have the numbers. Engineer Ben say, yeah, man, better, no, who for a company never hana beton my because we have the masses, we are the masses, we have the market. Come and sell to the market. But one thing, bring the company here, come and establish it here, employ Chinese, and let the Chinese people work. That is the only way we would allow you to trade here. And look at China today. It is the same idea Nana Addo Akufo-Addo fire say. let us open up for the companies to come here. So under the Ghana Automotive Development Policy, you know about 6 car assembling companies are through that right? We here no to yeah, they are by your friend the Ghana Integrated Aluminium Development Corporation and your friend GIADEC. Right? And also it was so deliberate to say it was say yeah minings near your refineries and it was established because mostly you 2 year raw materials if you have the requirement on it near co refining and sign a sand ya baha ya brain about beton the byproducts na dia den e dia mine so Nana Addo ka say dabi you establish all these refineries and my mines so that through that mines na nyama yitu a you be refine wa ha nya ho mfa so wa hanom. So through the GIADEC, you establish it, and then when you say bitumen, Kotana yade car quino, and then you were the biggest manufacturing plant ever Ghana high bitumen ever high supply to Africa. And then when you say manganese, you say refinery ever hanum. And then when you say gold, you refinery ever hanum. And then when you say lithium and then you iron batteries. And also mines any refinery ever hanum. We are working on all this under the GIADEC. Now, there was another thing that your friend, the Petroleum Hub Development Corporation, right? I know so no carbon building assembly plants. Any petroleum product I want in young concotoni in Fiamano, in no moment, you establish a harbor. All these things, you bet to me a processing, you can see to me refine what Hana Ghana for young fast with dear for. I remember when I had dark, so yes, sending a crab because Nana Addo buy Nasanya man, any ho. It was so young, but no can you see any and then some companies are making Mahama Baby Yimpe for Quatanano or Babet Wasso. But when they started yet, Nana Addo Danko Kufuado. Right? Yes. And then when you say you were the biggest pharmaceutical company, Ghana, right? Atlantic Science, I work Ghana Hanum. Omu produce pharmaceutical products. I just serve it across the African. And nunti any day they say the after headquarters at the bar Ghana we want to sell to the African markets, right? And it's a strategic way. Nana Addo Danko Kufuado and Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia a plan here. Do you know that we also have the industrial parks? Hanum. Establishing enclaves. Most of the industrial community and industrial businesses, establish zones and enclaves at their mom. From this way, are buying a deliberate on policies and plans. And Niyama or yet the more they can benefit from Ghana and the country at large, and they can serve Ghana and serve Ghana beyond. This is a planner, a president, within 8 years or now. Yes, also a great economic enclaves. I know so yes, share what Ghana. We are doing all these things. Yet we sat down and let these people run us down. And the salt refinery, working on. Government contributed in making sure they establish a salt refinery. I know so Guswa Air Cost yes. Ghana what's nas, I can say, more braille, Emma NDC for running and down just like that. And MPP, we couldn't even defend what we were doing. So you see, sometimes you cannot do that. You get it. You bet to make me about 50 Nyama Nana Addo within the last 8 years. The NDC cannot put anything on the table. But the problem is that we as people, we as patriots, Yankasa cry to me as a say a Nyama a Nyama small my way because you candidate to be a dear Bakopena Yawo. It is the one to say a catcher said John Dramani Mahama has zero commitment in fighting Galamsey. Because you see, well, when you say, and when I maybe can't first make a choice say, and she say, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia 2 year man, the gold ababe premium. And then Okoria se Ghana yen exporter as at 2024 gold in a year number 1. And then we oil never year second akoko be third. They have realized say and yes a gold ababe premium and priority there. Now say sika won because within a space of 2 years, now your international gross reserve at that 3.6 billion. Na Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia and Nana Addo to me page from a 9.9 billion in 2024. And that's just a sika wa honum. Oma to me so page your reserve no from 8.4 be 30 there. That's just a sika wa honum. So what then I was say stress here home. Let us go there. You put to priority on that. Yen she be bia na emfa ye ho nie make sika free. So Rita, this government has no commitment in fighting Galamsey. They did no more yet. You see, why your allocation of 50 million say in fighting Galamsey? So we know why you blue water guard. So you're no any party people, party in color no jomo call, not the 50 million then. I could you moka. You get it? So it's a form of employment that we create among the party people. So yeah, you blue water guard 400 for some guard you know. We have to pay them. Sikaben ye debate yomoka, a 50 million Ghana cedis allocation, you know. A government or say your commitment say Oba fight time women. Why? Because Oba be the first vice president. Now Oba an allocation the man a women's bank just 51 million. But your allocation of about 300 million at the sanitary parts. How committed is this government? Respect to Ben or the man bar. But why are women quiet now? Because it was the same women and Omatina Seka said, I was here, Shishan Yama no mutumi or mujedi no more businesses a grow. Me, I know that John Dramani Mahama just wanted to 10. A dear President Kufuor ye dear Nimunyam every day before my Wagana, which is Maslock. I 2006. And I've always said this, and MPP for no. And you think that time we say was here redirecting and thoughts. And ye be and ye focus on our buying way because the government is doing one thing. We know programs, no policies, be MPP, ye be idea Nimunyam better party no. Omo abolish it. No more rebranding, no more jomo diababeto so because we need one who say with the NDC no, ye far from 92 bepement da. They be AyEka say pro-poor policies, clear-cut policies are abwa Ghana for social interventional programs. Ye boni ye kase NDC for me comedy. Omo nibi. And aya Mahama ya. Ena Mahama fi akonwa no hu say ade ba ko Ghana for bope no ma bonyedi atare ho den dum so. To what you say? Ama wiase nyina dia to me say there was a president or bet na so no dey dum so nko akanye nko anye dum ye. So mama ya na adwen say this time around me ba no say me fi akonwa so e wo say me so metumi nya legacy na ye bo ebo medin etare but me ni adwen na ye de be hye nyama ne because ono waka kire wo ni book mo so ntumi nwene ma no ho